everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to crochet this cup cozy. It's a really simple, quick and easy, beginner-friendly pattern. I've included some links in the description below that will give you the written pattern as well as the materials that you need. So let's go ahead and get started with this perfect cup cozy. I want to also mention it is machine washer friendly. Okay, so the yarn that I'm going to be using is Made with Love, the cottony one. I'm using this particular color for the video tutorial. I'm also going to be using a 4mm crochet hook. And let's get started. So you're going to begin by making your starting loop. Just going to wrap the yarn around your finger and let it cross over. Pick up a little bit of the bottom piece and push just a little bit of the top bit through. Go ahead and get that on your hook. All right, so, sorry, I just had to make a little adjustment there. And we're going to make a chain. We're going to chain 15. So yarn over, pull through the loop on your hook. Yarn over, pull through the loop. So we're going to go ahead and do this until we get to 15. Five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Now we're going to half double crochet into the second chain from the hook. So yarn over, push your hook through that second chain from your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. You've now got 3 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over, pull right through all 3 loops. Going to repeat it in the next chain. Yarn over, push your hook through the chain, yarn over, pull up a loop. 3 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. And we're just going to go ahead and repeat this into every single chain all the way down our row. All right, so now that we finished that row, we are going to chain 2 and turn our work. In this next row and all of the following rows, we're going to back loop half double crochet. So you're going to yarn over and push your hook over the top of the stitch into the back loop only. So push that hook right into the back loop, and then you're going to continue with your half double crochet as normal, same way that you did it for the whole last row. Right, so let's do another one together. Yarn over your hook, push your hook over the top of the stitch into the back loop only, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops on your hook. You're just going to go ahead and continue on working back loop, half double crochets all the way down until you get to the end, and then you're going to come back and I'll show you what to do next. Okay, so now that you're at the end of the row that you just finished, you can start to see that taking shape. You're going to chain 2, turn your work, and you're going to continue on working back loop half double crochets all the way down this next row. You're going to start seeing that texture starting to take shape, that ribbing effect. It's like a really slight, gentle rib effect. Really pretty. I love this stitch. It's very simple, but really beautiful. Anyway, so you're going to continue on doing your back loop half double crochets all the way down. And this is now going to be what you're going to do for each following row. So you're going to, when you get to the end of each row, just make sure that you do your chain 2 before you turn your work. Just keeps that clean edge, gives the height that's needed for when you begin the following row, so you don't have that weird little slopey effect that makes your edges look kind of wonky. So now you're going to go ahead and continue on. So you're going to want to work your back loop half double crochet rows for a total of 19. So you'll need to go ahead and continue on for 16 more rows because we have just done 3 rows. We did our first row of half double crochets in all of the chains, and we've just worked 2 rows of back loop half double crochets together. So go ahead and finish working your rows and then come back and I'll show you how to finish up. All right, so now now that you finished all of your rows, we're going to chain 1 and turn our work. Fold your work in half, lining up the short edges, and we're going to connect these. We're going to work into both sides all the way down, working slip stitches. So push your hook through that first stitch and then push it right through the matching stitch on the other side, yarn over, pull right through the loops on your hook. Okay, we're going to go ahead and do that in the next one. And you're just going to continue all the way down just like this, working slip stitches all the way down, being sure to work through both sides, lining up your work evenly so you have a straight seam. And we'll just go ahead, work that down till the end and then come back. Okay, so now here we are at the end of our work. Just pull up a little extra yarn there so you have a bit of a long tail end. Fasten it off, pull the rest of that bit through. Go ahead and grab your yarn needle and you're just going to weave your tail ends in and out. Remember, your work is inside out right now. So go ahead and thread your yarn needle and then you're going to just weave that in and out of some of the stitches here on the inside of your work to hide and secure. I just like to just push it in and out of a couple of them. Okay, just once you get it in and out of a couple, you can just fasten it off right down to the work there. You're going to repeat the same thing for the other tail end. Okay, and now you can flip your work around so it's the right way, and you're done. You've got yourself a cup cozy. Just grabbing my cup here, and you can see it's perfectly fitted and easy to slip it right on there. You can use it on a variation of different cups. It is nice and stretchy, won't lose its shape. You can throw it in the washer and dryer. So make yourself a whole bunch. That way you always have them handy. You can switch up the colors, makes a great gift. Perfect to have for craft fairs. I hope you enjoyed this pattern. Please don't forget to check out the helpful links in the description below. And of course, please do also like and subscribe.